Hi, I'm Delphine Sellars, Executive Director of Urban Community AgriNomics. If you know me, then you know about Catawba Trail Farm. What a beautiful place. But I'm even today at an even more beautiful place. We are at Seeds. We're here today to do the third part of our pollinating planting. Planting pollinators to attract the bees, the butterflies, the flies, the wasps, all those things that make our vegetables and our plants produce even more. So, welcome to Seeds. Thanks for being with us. And isn't it wonderful just to be outside and enjoy this beautiful weather, this sunshine, and this truly North Carolina rain.
Hi, my name is Trevor Hyde. I'm the farm manager here at Seeds, a nonprofit in Durham that empowers youth by teaching them how to cook and grow their own vegetables. I'm the farm manager and I'm also the manager of the DIG program, which stands for Durham Inner City Gardeners. It's a youth employment opportunity for high school students where they get paid to learn how to grow their own vegetables, harvest them, and then learn how to cook with them. We also give them away to their families as well as to members of the community. We've been partnering with UCAN for this project as a way for the students to develop both their gardening skills as well as their leadership skills by teaching others. The program is a great opportunity for students because they learn a variety of soft skills as well as practical skills they can use to build their own resilience in life. Because of the amount of autonomy that the students have and the responsibilities they have in making decisions about the execution of the program, they really become a close-knit unit, working together through some pretty challenging physical labor, but also some really fun times, and spending time together outside of work as well.
When it comes to a radiant plant, they basically, if they fall over, they won't come back up or stand right up until you come back to, lift them back up or water them.
Daylilies, or which we planted, are native plants and they produce edible flowers.
One tip that I learned from today is that when plants are transported or when they're not watered, sometimes they'll begin to flop. Some of the plants just needed to be watered so that they'll become upright again.
Today I planted tiger lily, and an interesting about tiger lily is that they grow up straight, which allows you to plant little smaller things around it, which can help you use the space better.
Something I learned today is it's good to have pollinators in the garden because it brings more pollen and attracts bees. So the more bees, the more pollen.
Today I learned that tiger lilies and mountain mints are native to North Carolina.
One thing I learned from Seeds is working together as a team gets the work done faster.
Today I learned how much fun we have working together. Just a place where we can just talk about what we're thinking or just crack jokes or make fun of each other. We still get a lot of work done, which is really important, but we still make it fun every day.